Volumetric pipettes and burettes are stored in tall plastic containers around the room. Inside the shorter containers, you'll find pipettes stored in a detergent bath. And inside the taller containers, you'll find the burettes also stored in a detergent bath. You need to clean this type of volumetric glassware before you use it. And the cleaning steps for pipettes and burettes are almost identical. In this video, we'll be showing you the cleaning steps for a pipette, but you should know that these cleaning steps are effectively the same when you're using a burette as well. Once you have your glassware removed from the storage bath and all of the detergent has been drained out of it, you need to bring it to a sink and rinse it inside and outside with at least 3 large portions of tap water, and more is okay. To rinse the inside, make sure you fill the glassware at least 1/3 to 1/2 full. Swirl the water around inside it, and then drain. Make sure that the water is coated the entirety of the inside of the glassware. Once you've rinsed all of the detergent away with the tap water, you now need to rinse away all of the tap water with distilled water. And to do this, you can get your distilled water from one of the distilled water bottles that's on the bench top. You spray the distilled water into the burette or pipette until you've added roughly 1/10 of the volume of that glassware. Then you turn the glassware sideways and rotate, making sure to coat the entirety of the inside of the glassware, and then you drain. You should do 3 of these small distilled water rinses. Once you have your volumetric glassware, a pipette or a burette, fully rinsed with tap water and distilled water, you then need to rinse the inside of that glassware with a small portion of whatever solution you're planning on adding to it. And the reason you do this is to get rid of any residual water that's inside the glassware, which would dilute your solution if you added it directly. So you take a small portion of your solution, place it into a small working beaker, and you add roughly 1/10 of the volume that the glassware can hold into the pipette or burette. You tilt it sideways and you rinse, coating the insides of that glassware, and then you drain into a waste container. And at this point, your glassware is ready to fill and use.